Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to order in Temu. So first of all, if you are new to Temu, first of all, go ahead and click on new to log in with your account on Temu, okay? And after you log in with your account on Temu, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and select the item that you want to purchase. Let's say, for example, I want to purchase that one. So what I'm going to do, if I wanted to purchase that item, I'm going to just go ahead and click add to cart, and I'm going to select the color, right? And after you add it to your card, just go ahead and click the card right here, or go to the card button, and then basically you're gonna be able right here to select the item. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able, let me just close or remove that item. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the 60 SAR to checkout at the bottom right, and then basically go ahead and continue to basically purchase things because you wanted to get it at least to 90 or to at least to 60 SAR to buy items on, you can continue offering more in lower purchase item. And after you chosen the items, let's say for example I wanted to add this one to the cart, I'm gonna just go ahead and click continue to checkout, and then basically you're gonna be able to buy with the item, and then just go ahead and hit buy with the buying options that you have right here on Temu. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.